Let's make the simplest, easiest, and most delicious puff puff recipe on the internet. Hello, nice to meet you. If today is the first time here, this is Lena and welcome. So I have 2 cups of milk, and that's soy milk. You can use any milk of your choice. I have 3 tablespoons of sugar. So we are doing this process because, as you can see, my sugar has it is big, okay? So I just want to melt it. That is why we are doing this process. Okay, thank you so much. So we do easy cooking recipes here, and if you're interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is totally free. They don't take money. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. Now we are done with that. Okay, so I have with me here my 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I've added a tablespoon of baking powder. I've added a pinch of salt, and I'm just going to mix it very well and then add my wet ingredients, okay, which is my milk that I added sugar to it. Okay, so that is what you are seeing, and then I'm just going to mix this very well. So later I remember that I had to add some nutmeg, so I'll be adding nutmeg. Okay, if today is the first time here, please do not hesitate to follow me on all social media platforms at Elizabeth and Mommy's Recipes. You would love it. Okay, if you want short videos, please follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and my YouTube shorts. Okay, you will love it. So I added extra 3 tablespoons of milk, and we are good to go. Okay, with the original puff puff, I usually use it without adding 3 tablespoons of milk. So I am just trying to compare this with the original one. Okay, now I will mix it very well so it becomes uniform, or till I get the texture that I want. Thank you very much. Have you liked this video? If you haven't, please, what are you waiting for? Can you do so for me? You don't take money, and please, we beg you, I'm speaking on behalf of all content creators, we beg you, when you watch the videos, please watch it in full. Okay, we beg you, because when I look at my average view duration, it is not duration at all. It is very bad, and it always makes the video stagnant and we don't get views. Okay, the algorithm will not push our video, so please watch it in full. Okay, the video is not even long, but people are not watching it fully. Then those who are doing long videos there that is just by the way. So I'll drop it just like how we drop the puff puff, and then I'm going to tell you my honest review. You know, I am always honest with you. If it doesn't taste good, I will say it. If it is good, I'm going to say it. So at this moment, I was scared. I was like, hey, is it going to crack? I wanted that smooth, round, beautiful puff puff shape that we all know. And trust me, as you can see, I got it. And I was so excited. So now that's been on the oil for some few minutes, and oh my goodness, I love it already. Yeah, so we are going to wait for a while again, then I'm going to tell you how it tastes and my honest review. Okay, thank you so much. Please do not forget to leave me a comment, and please do not forget to share this video to others so that we can get more views. Now, as you can see, I was holding it in the oil. With a normal puff puff, it is very soft even in the oil, but with this, as will be a pan time, very hard. Yeah, that is another difference with this and the normal puff puff. Now it is ready. I'm just going to remove it from the oil so that it can rest on the paper towel. So another difference again here is that even in the oil, the normal puff puff is soft, but with here, when you remove it, the tin was still hard, like it was crunchy outside and the inside was soft. Okay, at this moment, my bemu yebu, I didn't like it, but I said, okay, let me taste it. I tasted it. It doesn't taste like puff puff, but it tastes like buns. Okay, so I was waiting for everyone's reaction, and after some few minutes, asumesi started becoming soft. Yeah, as you can see, 2 people were like, it tastes like puff puff. But these 2 people, anything you give them, they will eat because they are not picky. Okay, anything you give them, so far as it's delicious, they will eat. So I don't trust them myself. This does not taste like puff puff to me, and my husband wasn't around to taste it. Okay, yes, with this, after an hour, asumesi is finally soft, but the taste is still not like puff puff. There's nothing that will beat our original puff puff taste, and our excellency puff puff is always the best. Will I try this again? Never. Yeah, I will never try it again. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe for more videos. I love you.